power in a small package. The rugged and compact SmartLase F250 fiber laser coater from Markem-Imaje delivers high-quality, chemical-free, permanent coating on high-density substrates such as plastics and polymers, metallized flexible film, and bare metals, all while lowering your operating expenses. At the forefront of laser coating technology, we proudly offer a solution with high-performance digital galvanometers that are driven by a unique algorithm. This unique scribing method enables high-quality, consistent codes that are printed much faster than conventional vector lasers in both static and dynamic applications, including 2D barcodes and graphics. The SmartLase F250 offers a large 10-inch touchscreen interface that's easy to operate and is so intuitive that we've been able to increase operator efficiency by up to 20%. And our solution is Industry 4.0 ready. The SmartLase F250 communicates via industrial protocols such as Ethernet IP, Profinet, and NGPCL, ensuring seamless integration with the most complex plant automation and manufacturing systems. Minimize waste, drive efficiency, and achieve compliance. Message coding, database management, and job creation has never been easier. We care about the environment and your sustainability goals. Laser coaters require no ink or other consumables, which makes them inherently sustainable. And with the SmartLase F250, external air or water cooling is not required. This all adds up to lower TCO and extended lifetime in industrial environments thanks to our intelligent fan control. You also need a reliable solution that will operate in some of the harshest production environments. So we provide IP55 total ingress protection and is designed with safety in mind, meeting the most stringent safety standards with e-stop and interlock circuits. The SmartLase F250 is reliable, compact, safe, and intelligent. An intelligent choice for your smart factory.